Hi guys, my name is Jesse Madrigal. I work for Murdock Trailer Sales here in Loveland, Colorado. Today I'm going to tell you guys about the 2024 dump that we have sitting here behind me. Let me just dive right into it and just tell you what we got. So to begin with, you're going to have the control in the front. So you're going to have a battery that comes with the controller. This is going to make this trailer go up and down easily. You can function it all by yourself. If you need to dump anything, you need to pick up, lower, down, it's all at a push button right there. It also comes with an adjustable coupler, so you can adjust this up and down to level out the trailer so it'll fit on your trailer or on your truck that you're pulling with, so it'll be perfect. You also get some heavy duty chains on this that comes equipped with this for reasons. So they hook on right there, so they're not they're just heavy duty. It also comes equipped with a spare tire. So this is going to be a 14 ply G-rated tire. So, and the reason why we have the 14 plies is because this trailer here specifically, this one's equipped with 8K axles. So with the 8K axles, they're going to be GVWR rated for 16,000 pounds. These trailers are about 4,500 pounds, giving you about 11,500 pounds you can put on it for a total of 16,000, which in reality is about 5.5 tons you can put of debris, rock, whatever you're going to put in this trailer. This trailer also comes equipped with some ramps here underneath that are pull-out ramps. You pull them out, you can hook them on right here, and when you hook them on, you can drive up your skid steer or whatever you're going to be putting up there. If you're going to put a little tractor, a little skid steer or whatnot. And inside of the dump area, each corner is going to come with a tie down. These tie downs are going to be very important because at that point, if you need to, you can always grab a chain. You can tie down whatever you need to. Those are heavy duty, strong rated. As we work our way this way, it also comes, this trailer is equipped with a spreader. The cool thing about the spreader is you can always put a small little chain there. It'll open up maybe 3, 4, 5 inches depending what you want. And at that point, if you're dropping rock, gravel, sand, it'll spread it evenly. That's another big factor that comes with these trailers that are something that most trailers won't come with, right? And when you open it up, sometimes if you're dumping, if you don't tie this in there or lock it in place, this is what's going to save your door. Because if you go to dump and you don't secure your door, you will catch it down here, you will bend it, it will give you problems as time goes on, and then you're not going to be a happy camper. And at this point, we want you to be happy with the camper that you get or the trailer that you get. As we work our way this way, you're going to see that you're going to have a stand here. So this stand is good for all you short people, kind of like me. You're trying to get on top, you're trying to strap things down, you're trying to throw your cord over or whatnot. Well, you can get up here, you can reach, you can strap things down, or in this case, if you're grabbing your tarp to cover whatever you have, you bring your tarp all the way over here, you hook it, then you can tighten it down. Now no debris is flying as you're driving. Just remember, guys, if you guys are looking for your dump trailers, we got a variety of them. We're here at Murdock Trailer Sales here in Loveland. For more information, feel free to give us a call at 970-663-1100. Once again, my name is Jesse Madrigal. We're all here to help. If you have any questions, concerns, give us a call. And until then, I'll see you next time.